Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. First solution consists of four steps. First step is to clear Roblox cache files. To do this, you just need to open a browser, click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions. In here search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and delete it. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Now you need to delete your Roblox cache files from your computer guys. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage temp percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here you just need to search for Roblox. Right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, just to close stuff here. The second step is to right click on the Roblox player on the desktop shortcut and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click on the drop down and select Windows 8. And after that, check mark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings. Select allow another app. Select browse. You just need to go to desktop and select the Roblox player and select open it. Select add. After adding the Roblox game client, just need to check mark private and public, both check mark, and after that click on OK. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. You just need to go to desktop and select the Roblox player and select add it. After adding the Roblox game client, click on this option and select high performance and check mark don't use optimizations for windowed game. Click on save option and save it. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now you can restart your PC and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select uninstall a program and search for Roblox and right click on it and uninstall it guys. After doing it, close it off here. Now you just need to open up Chrome and you just need to search for roblox.com. Log into your account. You just need to click on any game over here and select the play option. And you just need to select download and install Roblox and download it. After getting download done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to download the Roblox from Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. You just need to search for Roblox. Click on the Roblox game. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.